Hi, I'm Leah Darrow. I used to think of Jesus as just a framed picture or a little figurine on my parents' mantle. But it wasn't until I had a sincere encounter with Christ that I was truly transformed. In the gospel reading, we hear of Jesus going up on the mountain with his three apostles, Peter, James, and John. And as he is transfigured, they witness Christ and they see him in a whole new way, in a whole new light, literally. But another transformation is also going on there on that mountain. It's not just Christ being transfigured, but it's the hearts of Peter, James, and John that are being transformed. They're being transformed because of a new experience, a new moment with Christ. Their relationship will now never be the same. They come down that mountain and their minds are blown. They know that things will never be the same again because of what just happened. I know for me, there have been many moments in my life where these moments of transformation have happened. One in particular happened in a confessional. I just was at a point in my life where I needed help. I didn't want to keep continuing on the lifestyle that I was living, and so I went to seek help from the only person who can help, Jesus Christ. And I went to confession and I confessed all my sins, and that had been a lot of sins, and it had been a long time since I had been there. But in that moment, I was truly transformed, completely. I knew that the person that walked into that confessional was different than the girl walking out. I knew that Christ had made me new again, that I was being transformed. He transformed my soul with his grace, and with his grace of courage, I was going to be transformed in my life. I was going to choose better things to do and not to do in my life anymore. Because that's what transformation calls us to. It calls us to action. Transformation is not just something that we say, it's not just a relationship we say we have with Jesus Christ, but it's reflected out in our very lives. What we choose to do, how we choose to spend time in our day, and who we spend time with should be a reflection of that transformation in Christ. How have you been transformed by Christ? And since that transformation, how has your life changed? What are you doing in your life now because of that transformation?